This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Greektown neighborhood in the hot West Loop, to a location that's close to restaurants, nightlife, Mariano's Grocery, public transit, and the UIC campus, for a walk through one of the apartments at the pet-friendly Arkadia. I'm at apartment 1303, a one-bedroom, looking east across the expressway toward the Loop. Floor-to-ceiling windows with roller shades. Ceilings up at about 9 feet. Wide plank flooring throughout the apartment. You have an open plan living dining kitchen area. Programmable thermostats. Looking at a very efficient U-shaped kitchen. The cook's preferred layout. The breakfast bar peninsula with track lighting up above. Tile backsplash, white quartz counters, undermount stainless steel sink that has a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. You have duotone cabinetry with white lacquer look uppers, espresso tone lowers, an appliance package that includes a side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door, built-in microwave and dishwasher, and a 4-burner gas range. Good cabinet counter space. And 42-inch upper cabinets for additional storage. Look at the front entryway. Space for a small hall console table. Turning into the bath. A quartz counter. Undermount sink. Vanity with mirror. Marble veined white tile on the floor, and it's an oversized bath, and you have a soaking tub. Heading back toward the bedroom, looking at a full-size stacked washer dryer behind the louvered door, and really generously sized bedroom. Plenty of space to accommodate any size bedding, additional furniture, home office desk if you prefer it here, and you have those great floor-to-ceiling windows. There's a shallow walk-in closet. Arkadia West Loop has a hyper-convenient, close-to-everything location. Great suite of amenities, wide variety of apartments, all with upscale finishes. Definitely want to put Arkadia West Loop on your must-see list. Head to Arkadia's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.